Traveling by Dubai Metro is a very convenient, efficient, and economical way of transport. If you do plan to use public transport in Dubai, you would first need to get a no card at any of the train stations in Dubai. Meanwhile, trams operated by the Dubai's Road and Transport Authority (RTA) links Dubai metros and the Palm monorail and runs along Al Sufur Road as well as Jumeirah Beach Road. So if you do consider to settle in these areas, it will be very convenient for you to use Dubai Tram or Dubai Metro to go to work in this case.